Let's prep these GLP-1 friendly snack boxes. They're gonna be filled with protein, filled with nutrients, and they're gonna be absolutely delicious. It's gonna be something you can just open your fridge and reach for, and it's gonna be a great lunch or a great snack. All these ingredients can be customizable. You can obviously toss your own snacks into here, but I'm just building one that's really packed with protein and super easy to make. The kind of base for this one is going to be our hard-boiled egg. These are pre-cooked hard-boiled eggs. You can obviously make your own as well. I'm putting 2 in here, so we have 12 grams of protein and 120 calories. I'm just gonna cut them in half and stack them into one of these compartments. This is a great thing you could do on a Sunday, and you can just be ready for the week. It's almost like an adult lunchbox. I'm just gonna top it with this flaky garlic sea salt. The nice thing about these snack packs is you don't need to make all this homemade. They can just be things you pick up from the grocery store, but you put it together so it's convenient for you later. You're really just setting yourself up for success. The other thing we're gonna put in here is hummus. Whatever hummus you like, this is a half chili hummus. And then you can put whatever you'd like on the side with this. You can put vegetables. We're gonna use some multi-grain pita chips today. Next, I'm gonna take a couple of these turkey sticks. This is the brand Chomps. It's really great. You can do whatever you prefer. These are mini ones. It's 35 calories for one, and there are 5 grams of protein in here. I'm gonna do 2 to 3. The reason I'm chopping them up is so it's just nice and convenient, those little bite-sized pieces. We're really going for convenience with this. So I'm just gonna chop these up, put them in there, and then lastly, we'll put a little baby bell cheese. So there you have it. You have your hard-boiled eggs, you have your turkey sticks and cheese, some hummus and chips. You can package this up, it'll be good in the fridge, and you can reach for it next time you get hungry.